guys. So I'm going to be installing a wig. Very first time. Very first time. Yes. In fact, I don't even wear wigs. I really don't. I'm more like a braids type of person. But we're gonna install this now. Like, I don't know, I've been seeing videos. I mean, I feel like I can do it. Like, my confidence all the way up here. All the way up here is beyond my height. That's how high it is. Like, okay, we did get some goodies. Really good stuff. No lashes. I don't know how to put them on. But I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. The little brush thingy for, the edges. Did not do mine today. Not too much. Wig cap. Gonna need it because I don't want to pull my edges out. Good hair, as you can see. But not for real. I don't know how to braid to the scalp either. So we're just gonna slick it back. We're just gonna slick it back. Okay, so this is a used wig. We're gonna put that out there now. I'm going to wash it, detangle it, comb it out, the whole nine. Whatever the whole nine means. I don't know what that means. I just hear it a lot. I'm gonna just go with it. But yeah, so I'll be back. Okay, so I'm actually washing it in my bathroom sink because I didn't feel like messing with the shower. I don't know, I feel like the sink was easier. So I just went with it, okay? But anyways, right now it's in the water. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I'm gonna use this conditioner. Good conditioner. So yeah. Be back in a minute. Yeah. Okay, so anyways, so don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, put the conditioner in. Oh, you can't see it. Okay, hold on. This is not how I wash my own hair. I just want to make that clear. I know I wash my hair. I don't know how to wash this hair. That's the thing. Uh, right. Anyways, you know what? I'll just be back. I will be back. Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing. I, bro. Anyway. Anyway, so I'm going to help. I think I'm going to 30 inch bust down, yeah. Not just playing, it's not 30 inches. Okay, so I didn't have a towel. I mean, I could have used the towel that was behind me this whole time. But yeah. So it's fine. It's fine. A shirt will do. A shirt will get the job done. Second thought, I don't think the shirt is getting the job done. I honestly don't think so. No, it's time to detangle. I might be doing this wrong, but it's okay. We're learning. At least I am. But yeah. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Look at the bouncer. Y'all, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, we got it semi-dry now. So now I'm gonna slick this back. How? I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. And install this. Yeah, sorry, lost my train of thought for a little second. Alright. Oh, Lord. Needed that. But hold up. How am I supposed to do this? Okay. Am I supposed to put it in the bun in the back? Or like, I'm back. Okay, I got someone slick back somewhat. A little bun, but like I got no hair in the back. Crazy. I just want to know how y'all be stretching this like this. How? How? How do it be going down to y'all chin? How? Because I want to know. Oh. Because I want to know. This is the far as going. Literally. Like I got an egghead, bro. An egghead. Oh my gosh. For what I'm doing, and I don't have any glue. But I do have this. So it's okay. We're gonna do this together. Locked in. Tight like a booty hole. So I think this is far enough. I think. I honestly don't know. So let's just get the spring. Oh, okay. Y'all didn't tell me this was cold. This is this is really cold. So okay, not gonna lie. I think I did a pretty good job for my first time. Yes, I'm using a shirt again. All right. Let's get this wig. Y'all, I do not know what I'm doing. Oh my god. Okay, I guess I could do one side at a time. Yeah, yeah. Y'all, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't have actual glue, so I'm using Got2b. But I think I'm doing okay for it to be my first time and with it being a used wig. So yeah. Y'all. I kid you not. I do not know what I'm doing at all. But I am bound to finish. Bound to finish. Y'all, I'm trying to get it to a middle part. But I got a little bit. Well, I feel like this. I think I'm gonna leave it like this. No, I'm just playing. I feel like a Spanish Puerto Rican in this hair. Okay, one hot comb to lay this down up here, and then I'm gonna wet it, and that's gonna be it. Cause after that, I don't know what to do. I don't know how to lay these edges. I don't know how to fix this. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the bathroom, like I said, and hot comb, wet, wipe a little. That's it. Done. Okay, I'll wait for it to get warm so I can. Bro, it's like the second time I done burned my hand. Like, I kid y'all not. Have a look. Okay, now I'm gonna wet it and clean up my forehead, and that'll be it. Over it. Alright, guys. Yeah. Okay, so yo, this was quite fun. Like, I might order me another wig just to do this again. But like, start from the very beginning. Like, cut the lace, cut all that, glue it. I'm actually have glue this time. But I don't know, I kinda like this has to be. Cause yeah. But anyways. Cute lucky. Oh, yeah, right. This. Don't want to burn the house down. No. I hope you like it. Okay, so this is the finished product. So I I think I'm going to order another one. Well, I bought this for someone, so I think I'm gonna order one from somewhere and install it. And of course I gotta record. Of course I gotta record it because y'all gonna do this with me. You're gonna go through it with me, of course. But I think I'm gonna flatten this part down some more later because I'm not liking that part. I'm not liking that. But yeah, I'm gonna film when I order a new wig, and we're gonna do this together. But not for real. I look like this hair. I mean, it's done poofed back up, but it's anyway. That's the end of this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. And I will be posting when I order a new wig to install it. But you wait. Y'all, I just remembered. I'm getting locks next weekend. So the next video will be, well, not the next video, but one of these videos will be me installing a wig over my lock. You like it? You like? Yeah. So I think that's gonna be one of the videos. But I might record me getting locks. I mean, I've had them before, but I didn't record nothing, so I might record this time. I'm not sure. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe some YouTube video ideas, I don't know. And I will get to it.